Hi, my dear friends. This is part 2 of Unit 1 English Methodology class. In continuation with the part 1, let's discuss what is part 2. Language learning is a conscious process. There are two concepts often confused in English methodology: language learning and language acquisition. Language learning is a formal process. Child gets into LKG, UKG, first class. He will learn the language in the form of academics, whereas language acquisition takes place soon after his birth. He tries to listen from others. At the age of 2 or 3, he tries to get the words. That is called language acquisition. Language learning is a formal setup, whereas language acquisition is informal setup. Language acquisition takes place at home, language learning takes place at the school. So with these two concepts, language learning is a conscious process, because language learning takes place once the student gets into the school, whereas language acquisition is a subconscious process. He acquires the language by listening to others at home. So that is the difference between language learning and language acquisition. Next one is, there is a quotation: English is to know about scientific development and key to all knowledge. Who said this statement? English is to know about scientific development and key to all knowledge. This statement said by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. As we know, he's a social reformer. He was always encouraging the English language to be introduced in India. He said this quotation: English is to know about scientific development and key to all knowledge. English is the language of record of government. Who said this? English is the language of record of government. This statement is said by William Bentinck. Then how do you remember this? When you open a record, on the first page, it is written as William Bentinck. Please do remember, for the purpose of examination, when you open a record, on the first page, it is written William Bentinck. So language of record. So English is a language of record of government, said by William Bentinck, because the name Bentinck is written on the first page of a record. Please do just imagine like that. Next one. Lord Curzon's University Commission year. Lord Curzon's University Commission year is 1902. 1902. Years are not so mandatory, but it is better to know. 1902. Curzon. The word Curzon means, sometimes it's related to cutting. When it cuts, it divides into two pieces. 1902. Please do remember like that. Next one. Sadler Commission 1917. Sadler Commission. When you say sad means you're not happy. Sadler. 17. 7 in Telugu. Edvadam. 1917. Sadler Commission. Sad means Edvadam. 1917. Not 1907. It is 1917. 1917. Hindi will be the official language of Union language. Hindi will be the official language of Union language. Or Hindi will be the official language of the Union. It's not a language. Hindi will be official language of the Union. Which article says? Article 343, subclause 1. Article 343 says Hindi will be the official language of the Union. It will say Article 343. We know what is 143. That means I love you. Here what is I love Hindi language. Ultimately it becomes 343. It's not 143. It is 343 subclause 1. That is the way that you remember. Next. Official Language Act. In which year it came? 1963. Official Languages Act came in 1963. Next. English as subsidiary official language in India. English as subsidiary official language in India. It is set by Official Language Act, Section 3. In Official Language Act, it is said that in the Section 3, it is said that English as subsidiary official language of India. Section is very important. Section 3 of Official Languages Act. Next, how many national languages are there in India? 22. There are 22 national languages of India. These also we have discussed scheduled languages. In the part 1 we have discussed scheduled language which are recognized by constitution. There are 22 languages. What is the difference? Next one is, what is the difference between English as official language, English as a national language? English as official language, which means used for government administration. English as official language, which means English is used for government administration. English as a national language, which means spoken as a native language by at least some of the population of a nation. When it is being spoken by the native people of a nation, then English as a national language. English as an official language, which means used for government administration. Please do remember these two concepts. Next, English is recognized as the official language of the states. English is recognized as official languages of the following states. What are those states? Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland. How to remember? Na Mani, Na Megam. First one is Na, Nagaland, Meghalaya. Next one is Manipur. Mani, Na Mani, Na Megam. Na stands for Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya. Next, basic education was introduced by a person. His person name is Ogden. Ogden. These English names are it becomes very difficult to remember. That is why there is one simple technique is there. The word basic education, if you take egg, on egg, basic education is written. On egg with the marker, basic education is written. So whenever they in the exam, basic education, then you remember egg. It is not the egg, Ogden. His name is Ogden. So basic English was introduced by Ogden, because basic English, the word basic English is written on egg. His name is Ogden. English language is organic refers to dash. English language is organic refers to living thing. English language is a living thing. That means some words in English language, they take birth, it will be used by people, then as the time passes on, people forget those words. For example, thy means you. Some of the words which are used already, they have entered into English language, used by people, and now they are no more in use. So English language is organic, which means it is a living thing. English language is dynamic, which is in the sense they are active, they're changing and growing. So we have discussed, there's education and entertainment. Education is different and entertainment is different. Now they are put together, edutainment. So they are changing. Some words are changing. Some words are active. Active means we use them frequently. Active. Passive vocabulary means we don't use them. Hardly we use them. Such kind of vocabulary is passive vocabulary. If you use number of words frequently, this is called active vocabulary. Next thing is English language. English may become first language for Indians. A person said English may become first language for Indians. It is there in English methodology. David Crystal. His name is David Crystal. Sometimes they will give quotation. There will be 4 people in the options. So it becomes very tough if you go on by heart all the things. Just to remember, English may become the first language for Indians. He said crystal clearly. Remember like this. The statement is crystal clear. Then you'll remember David Crystal. English may become the first language for Indians. It is crystal clear. Remember the word crystal clear. It's nothing but David Crystal is the person who said the statement. Next one. The language of the crib book written by. The language of the book. The language of the crib book written by Ruth Ware. Ruth Ware. She is the person who has written the book. The language of the crib book written by Ruth Ware. Then how to remember this? As we know, we celebrate Christmas. When we celebrate Christmas, all the Christians, we make crib where the small Jesus Christ is kept. It is called as a crib. In that crib, there will be a lot of wires. Now they illuminate, they give light. So wires are there in the crib. So it is very easy to interrelate. The language of the crib book is written by Ruth Ware. Crib, ware, ware, rib. It's nothing but wires, we have to remember like that. The language of the book, the language of the crib book written by Ruth Ware. Lad, L-A-D, lad, proposed by Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky. LAD, what is the full form of LAD? Language Acquisition Device. Language Acquisition Device, proposed by Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky is a very famous person. There is no technique is required to remember his name. Homeostasis, which means child takes pleasure in making errors and continues to do so while learning a language. That means children, when they make mistakes, they'll enjoy it, and because of those mistakes they will learn the things better. That is called homeostasis. Because these are some technical words where the paper setters, they fall in love with these words. So please do remember, a child takes pleasure in making errors and continues to do so while learning a language. Next one is translanguaging. What is translanguaging? Taking the help of mother tongue while learning English. Translanguaging is nothing but taking the help of mother tongue while learning English. While learning English, you try to, you take the help of your mother tongue and learn English language. That is called translanguaging. English language has been accepted as associate official language. English language has been accepted as associate official language. Great vowel shift means modern English differs from Middle English. Great vowel shift, which means modern English differs from Middle English. First three universities established in India in 1857. What are those things? You have to remember BCM. In mathematics we learn LCM. It's not LCM. BCM. Bombay, Calcutta, Madras. The first three universities established in India in 1857. What are those three? BCM. Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. Next one. Anyone who can read English can keep in touch with the whole world without leaving his own home. Anyone who can read English can keep in touch with the whole world without leaving his own home. This following statement said by F.G. French. F.G. French. Then how to remember this? Eating French fries at one's own home. Remember like this. Eating French fries at one's own home. That means there are two words which are interrelated. His own home is there and French is there. So eating French fries at one's own home. So when these two words are matching in the question paper, ultimately you will get the answer. Anyone who can read English can keep in touch with the whole world without leaving his own home, said by F.G. French. Remember, eating French fries at one's own home. English language, which is rich in literature, humanistic and scientific and technical. This statement said by Radha Krishna Krishnan University Education Commission, 1948. Language through literature was tried out in 1980s by Madras Presidency. So, language through literature was tried out in 1980s by Madras Presidency. Language learning is a habit process. Who said this? Language learning is a habit process. Who said this? Palmer. There is one more bit which is related to Harold E. Palmer. We have discussed in the previous part. LSRW is written on a palm. He is a person who said LSRW in order. So please do remember LSRW. They have written on a palm. Ultimately, LSRW, the order is set by Harold E. Palmer. Next. Expansion of RP, very very important. Expansion of RP, received pronunciation. So the standard accent of English as spoken in the southern east of England. The standard accent of English as spoken in the southern east of England, it is known as received pronunciation. Please do remember the part also, southern east of England. Where if you take our India, where the Bay of Bengal, southern east, that side, the standard accent of English as spoken of the southern east of England, this is called as received pronunciation. The English seed was sown in the Indian soil in the year. There is a tricky way of asking questions. The English seed was sown in the Indian soil in the year 1835. Directly they can ask, when was English education was introduced in India? Instead of that, the English seed was sown in the Indian soil in the year 1835. Next, organizations offering English training for in-service teachers in India. What are those organizations? First one is EFLU in Hyderabad and Regional Institute of English, RIE Bangalore. Education. GC Banerjee report says we have to give training for in-service teachers. The next one, 3 tribes attacked England. What are those 3 tribes? Angles, Saxons and Normans. Please do remember ASN. Angles, Saxons and Normans. Next, Samuel Johnson's dictionary appeared in which year? 1755. Samuel Johnson dictionary appeared in 1755. How to remember this? In Samuel Johnson dictionary, when he initially published, please imagine, when he initially published, there are only 1755 words. That is why Samuel Johnson's dictionary appeared in the year 1755. Next, mother tongue of inhabitants of England. That means the first people who lived in England, what was their mother tongue? Celtic. To remember, imagine they used cell phones to communicate. Which ringed like a tick. Ringing. Cell phone ringing is like a tick. It becomes Celtic. It is very easy to remember. Next one. Holophrase. What is holophrase? Is 2 words phrase. Holophrase means 2 words phrase. From 19th to 24th month, the child learns only 2 word phrases. That is called as holophrase. English belongs to which branches? Germanic branch, Indo-European family. English belongs to Germanic branch, Indo-European family. This bit is asked, Gurukula PGT 2017. The first language teaching institute in India was established. The first language teaching institute in India was established in Allahabad in 1954. One more very very important, lingua franca. What is lingua franca? Paper set always shows the interest where the words have something tricky, where the candidates don't understand the meaning. Lingua franca. A language that is adopted as a common language between 2 speakers whose native languages are different. common language for communication. It is very simple. I don't know Gujarati. He cannot I don't know Gujarati, and Gujarati person doesn't know Telugu. So we two people, what we do is, we both of us communicate in English. So a language that is adopted by a common language between two speakers whose native languages are different. So when I don't know Gujarati, when I don't know Gujarati, when he doesn't know Telugu, we both communicate only in English. That is called lingua franca, common language for communication. Countries who speak English as a native language, these three bits are very, very important. Countries who speak English as native language: UK, USA, Australia, New Zealand and Singapore. Countries who speak English as a native language. Very simple. English is related to UK and USA, even Australia and New Zealand and Singapore. Countries who speak English as a second language: India and more than 70 countries. Countries who speak English as a second language: India and more than 70 countries. Countries who speak English as a foreign language. Countries who speak English as a foreign language: China, Russia, Germany, Spain, Egypt, Brazil and Indonesia. So this bit, countries who speak English as a foreign language, was asked PGT Gurukula 2017. China, Russia, Germany, Spain, Egypt, Brazil and Indonesia. Thank you for watching.